Once again, welcome to all of you to our YouTube channel. Let's learn English. And today we are going to start a practice session. And today we have a student of class ninth, Mr. Sunil. And Sunil has been coming here for 2 months. So today we'll ask some Hindi sentences to Sunil, and Sunil will translate them into English. So Sunil, are you confident to speak English?
Yes, sir.
Do you speak English fluently? Are you confident?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will ask some Hindi sentence to you, and you have to translate them into English. Okay. So my first sentence is for you, Sunil. Uh, तुम क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing?
Okay. तुम क्या करते हो?
What do you do?
तुम कहाँ रहते हो?
Where do you live?
क्या वो तुम्हारी बहन है?
Is she your sister?
हाँ, वह मेरी बहन है.
Yes, she is my sister.
वह मेरे साथ पढ़ती है.
She reads with me.
वह मेरे साथ झगड़ती भी है.
Even she quarrels with me.
क्या वह तुम्हारी सहायता करती है?
Does she help you?
Does she
Help you?
help you? Okay. क्या तुम्हारे पास मोबाइल है?
Do you have mobile?
क्या तुम मोबाइल यूज करते हो?
Do you use mobile?
ओके. तुम कहाँ रहते हो?
Where do you live?
तुम शेरगढ़ में कहाँ रहते हो?
Where do you live in Sirgir?
तुम्हारा घर कहाँ है?
Where is your home?
तुम्हें यहाँ पहुंचने में कितना टाइम लगता है?
How much time do you take to reach here?
शाबाश. How much time do you take to reach here? Okay. जोधपुर यहाँ से कितना दूर है?
How far is Jodhpur away from you?
मैंने कल तुम्हें बाजार में देखा.
I saw you in market yesterday.
तुम वहाँ दोस्तों के साथ क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे.
You were playing cricket with your friends.
क्या तुम क्रिकेट रोज खेलते हो?
Do you play cricket daily?
क्या वह तुम्हारा दोस्त नहीं है?
Doesn't he your friends?
Isn't
Isn't he your?
isn't he your friends? Okay. वह क्या कर रहा था?
What was he doing?
तुम क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing?
क्या तुम नर्वस हो?
Are you nervous?
मैं कल नहीं आऊंगा.
I will not come tomorrow.
मैं कल आऊंगा.
I will come tomorrow.
भारत एक विकसित राष्ट्र बनेगा.
India will be developed country.
इंडिया विल बी ए डेवलप्ड कंट्री. ओके. पंखा बंद करो.
Switch off the fan.
स्विच ऑफ द फैन. ओके. वह कौन है?
Who is he?
मुझे नहीं पता वह कौन है.
I don't know who is he.
मैं नहीं जानता तुम क्या चाहते हो.
I don't know what do you want.
What you want.
What you want.
मुझे नहीं पता तुम कहाँ रहते हो.
I don't know where you live.
हम क्या कर रहे हैं?
What are we doing?
क्या हम कुछ सीख रहे हैं?
Are we learning something?
क्या तुम मुझे जानते हो?
Do you know me?
हम वहां मिले थे.
We met there.
We met there या we had met there. वह 2 घंटे से तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा था.
He had been waiting for you for 2 hours.
तुम वहां क्यों नहीं गए?
Why didn't you go there?
तुम्हें वहां जाना चाहिए था.
You should have gone there.
तुम्हें उसकी मदद करनी चाहिए थी.
You should have helped him.
क्या तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हो?
Do you think you can speak English?
Do you think that you can speak English? Okay. मुझे नहीं लगता तुम अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हो.
I don't think that you can speak English.
I don't think that you can speak English. Okay. अंग्रेजी बोलना बहुत आसान है.
Speaking English is very easy.
शिकायत करना भी आसान है.
Even complaining is easy.
Easy. Okay. तुम वहां बैठ सकते हो.
You can sit there.
वह क्या कर रहा था?
What was he doing?
वह खेत में काम कर रहा था.
He was doing work in the farm.
वह जोधपुर जा रहा था.
He was going to Jodhpur.
हम क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे.
We were playing cricket.
हम क्रिकेट नहीं खेलते हैं.
We don't play cricket.
क्या तुम क्रिकेट खेलते हो?
Do you play cricket?
तुम कहाँ क्रिकेट खेलते हो?
Where do you play cricket?
हम जोधपुर नहीं जाएंगे.
We want to go to Jodhpur.
हम जोधपुर क्यों जाएंगे?
Why we'll go to Jodhpur?
तुम्हारे चाचा जोधपुर में कहाँ रहते हैं?
Where does your uncle live in Jodhpur?
मैं नहीं जानता।
I don't know.